Okay people, the King's Fridge, Draw Fridge, great design, excellent, yes, thank you, but it doesn't work. It stopped working, it started reading, as you can see here, where it can hold that still, right, 888. Anybody knows what 888 means? Anyway, I got 30 hours of use out of this fridge, it stopped working. So, we're going to disconnect it. Once we've done, unplugged it, we're going to take a few bolts off. I've got the inside ones off already because I knew this was happening. Funny that. So, take that one off, take this one off. Not quite finger tight. There we go. And yes, so it's out with the old. Let's see what the new one is. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I've decided to go with the Litre Draw Fridge in the back of the XL7. I've had one in the trailer that hangs off the back of this. It's bounced all over the place. It hasn't had a problem, and it has a bigger compressor. I don't think it'll be a problem in the XL7 at all. It's a much smoother ride. So we'll put one of them in. Yes, they cost more, but I had to go. Didn't like the Kings. Didn't work. 30 hours, if that it worked for, and it just didn't. Okay, so the compressor doesn't make noise. Nothing happens. So we've got to grab my feet off the bottom of the Litre fridge and put a plug on it, and it should just bolt straight back in. Wish me luck. Have a plug, wired up, ready to go. Big compressor, big cooling thing. The bonus with these is you can actually disconnect this, unravel that a bit, and move it around in a certain distance. And you've actually got enough wire here, with cable there, to make that work. So you don't have to have the compressor on the back of the fridge, like in the trailer. I've got it down the side. So as you can see here, we got the draw fridge on the trailer. Grab you inside. Over there, compressor on the side. The back one, yeah, that'll be fun, but I'll get it. You watch. Okay, so get that other bolt in. Yes, I had to undo the frame, move it a bit, bolt in, do it up, but we got it. Luckily, all bolts in easily. This, try not to be silly. So plugs in nicely. Yay! Let's see if it works. Alright. Simple controls. Turn it to max. Yep. That works. Even the blue fanny fan spins. Right. We'll give that a bit to cool down. Take out the. Now that's a thick book. Okay. It's been on for about half an hour. So let's just see what the temperature says. $4 in half an hour. See, 4 degrees, 4.2. Okay, that's way better than the last one. Okay, so we've succeeded in getting the Litre fridge into the XL7. Didn't need to re-drill things. The King's fridge, that's going into the shed to get pulled apart and see if I can figure out what went wrong with it. Anyway, so happy now, very happy cow. Now it's time to have a cold one, and then subscribe if you want. Give us a like, hit the notification button, because then if you do like what we do, it'll tell you when we're doing it. We've got Facebook as well, check that out. Most of all, explore, camp, and relax, preferably with a cold one, which I can do now because I have a fridge that works. Oh yeah, I'm going to be a very happy cow. Gotta put some more in. It makes them cold too. Have a good one. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.